Welcome from Kaiser IMG Knowledge Base. Today we're showing you about a National Healthcare Shield. This is a healthcare plan for government agencies. Introduce ko kung sino muna ang Kaiser. Kaiser International Health Group is a top health maintenance organization that offers quality healthcare to a diverse range of clients. It was founded in June 2004 and certified by the Department of Health to operate on the same year. It's currently regulated by the Insurance Commission with license number HMO 2023-08-R. We're led by our President and Medical Director, Dr. Leah Uy Yolo. Kaiser International is one of the country's leading and most trusted HMO providers today. Actually, alam nyo po sa data privacy, bawal magsabi provider kung sino yung kanyang mga clients. Pero mga clients, kung gusto ng client, is maaari naman niya ipagmalaki na HMO niya, provider niya ang Kaiser. And that's exactly what the Supreme Court did, no? Sabi ng Supreme Court sa sariling website, unlike in previous years where the different court levels would go through the tedious process of procuring their own plans, the Supreme Court has now procured one uniform healthcare plan for all courts. No? So ang Supreme Court ay client ng Kaiser, sinabi nila to sa kanilang website, at kung gusto nyo makita yung article, iscan nyo lang ang QR code na ito para magpunta sa website ng Supreme Court. Ang Kaiser values strong and close-knit family ties. Hindi kayo kliyente, kayo ay pamilya. This has moved our company to create accessible and reliable healthcare products designed for the Filipino family. Inspired by our tagline, your first name in healthcare, Kaiser International Health Group upholds its position as a top-tier HMO committed to providing exceptional health coverage and compassionate medical care. Ano naman yung IMG? The International Marketing Group is committed to educating and empowering 30 million families by 2030. And as of 2 p.m. of July 20, meron na tayong 15.883 million na mga na-educate. Gusto ng IMG to financially educate and serve everybody, especially the underserved and low-income groups like OFWs and government groups. No family left behind. Walang maiiwang pamilya. We turn spenders into savers, savers into investors. We turn member individuals and groups into entrepreneurs through distribution of innovative financial solutions. Kaiser, IMG ang exclusive broker ng Kaiser. Ang government groups at maski individual groups can earn commissions on innovative financial solutions like Group HMO, individual retirement plans like long-term healthcare, memorial plans, group individual life insurance, non-life insurance. Ang IMG ay parang ipon club to help members save and invest for a brighter future. Together, we can help members save and get out of debt. Dito sa medical allowance, your government is giving you healthcare up to age 65. Pero naisip nyo na ba, what will your healthcare situation be when you retire at age 66? The Kaiser Network, it's 12,000 accredited doctors and growing. No? Meron po kaming 2,000 hospitals and clinics and still growing. Meron po kaming accredited dentists, 800 plus and growing, at may Kaiser Medical Centers. Meron po tayong 24/7 services sa ating call center, customer care center, at meron po tayong mga liaison officers. Napakadaming ospital sa Kaiser Network, no? So pag titignan natin, lahat ng malalaking ospital na alam nyo na nasa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas ay accredited ng Kaiser. At kung sa lugar nyo walang Kaiser accredited, Kaiser will accredit the best hospitals in your area. Actually, meron po kami isang inaccredit na hospital sa may Kawayan yata, no? Inabot lang ng 1 week, accredited na. Ano naman ang National Healthcare Shield? It's an HMO product issued by Kaiser International compliant sa IC Circular on Approval of HMO Products and Forms. Ang coverage nito ay 12 months. At meron po itong benefits for high-risk cases such as pregnant women, senior citizens, or persons with disabilities. Kaya kasama po sa benefits ng ating National Healthcare Shield, yung pre- and post-natal check-up, covered nito ang age 18 to 65, covered nito yung pre-existing illness, at kasama po yung 5-point health card benefits, inpatient benefit, outpatient benefit, emergency care benefit, annual physical exam, and dental benefit. Yan pong mga nakagreen na yan, yun po eksaktong definition ng recommended na group HMO ng Department of Education nakasulat sa Order Number 16 Series of 2025. At hindi lang po yung 5-point health card benefits, no? Meron din po tayong financial care assistance. Explain po natin yan in a later slide. Ano po yung ating 5-point health card benefits, no? Ang preventive healthcare natin covered yung annual physical exam, yung mga vaccinations sa mga animal bites, no? Counseling, yung ating inpatient care ay hospitalization. At dito po, no deposit on admission. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga horror stories na naririnig nyo, na mga nagpunta sa 10 ospital at hindi pinapasok, hindi po mangyayari pag kayo ay may National Healthcare Shield kasi kayo ay papapasukin, ipakita lang ang inyong Kaiser card. Meron po tayong outpatient care. Yun po yung ating popular na doctor consultation, ENT, nandun yung pre- and postnatal check-up. Kaya nga po, hindi na natin papalalain yung sakit. Basta may nararamdaman, hindi na tayo matatakot magpunta sa doktor kasi yung Kaiser National Healthcare Shield ang magbabayad sa doktor. Kaya libre na yung ating check-up. Meron din po tayong emergency care. Ito po yung medical cases requiring immediate attention. Meron din po tayong dental care. Ito po yung check-up, annual prophylaxis o yung professional dental cleaning, no? Meron po tayong tooth extraction, dental filling, at meron na rin po tayo na permanent na filling. Actually, ito po yung 5-point health card benefits, pero meron po tayong +1, no? Yung financial care assistance na ibibigay in case of death o dismemberment ng ating member. Ang offer po sa National Healthcare Shield ay semi-private room up to health 800. Ang premium po dito ay 7,000 annual. Kasama na po yung VAT dyan, no? So, yun po eksakto yung ibibigay sa Kaiser na eksakto match sa ating medical allowance. At ang kapalit nun ay maximum benefit limit na up to 75,000 per illness per member per year, no? Ang ibig sabihin po nun ay yung 75,000 ay para sa bawat sakit per member per year inclusive of consultation, diagnostic procedures, and hospitalization. May access po ito sa major hospitals, no? So yung Makati Medical, St. Luke's, Medical City, Cardinal Santos, University of Cebu Medical Center, Chonghua Hospital, sa Cebu Doctors Hospital at Asian Hospital and Medical Center. Pwede pong doon tayo magpatingin o doon tayo magpa-confine. Covered po yung ating National Healthcare Shield. At ulitin po natin, no, marami po tayong benefits for high-risk cases o yung mga panahon na pinaka kailangan natin ng benefits, no? So halimbawa, meron tayong prenatal and postnatal care once a month para sa ating pregnant women. Ang ating para sa ating mga senior, covered po natin hanggang age 65 para sa principal members. Covered din po natin ang pre-existing including dreaded diseases. Wala po tayong deposit on admission at yun nga po kasama po sa ating coverage yung dialysis, chemotherapy at saka radiotherapy. Common po na nangyayari lang sa probinsya na nakakagat ng mga aso o ahas, no? O maaksidente kailan na anti-tetanus. Libre po yung ating immunization vaccine nun up to 10,000 pesos. At meron din po tayong physical therapy up to 10 sessions at permanent filling for 2 surfaces only. Yung benefit limit po natin, ulitin natin, no? Semi-private room up to health 800, up to 75,000 maximum benefit limit per illness per year, no deposit admission sa 2,000 plus accredited hospitals and clinics nationwide kasama ang 100 ang major hospitals. At kung non-accredited yung hospital, ano, emergency care, up to 100% ang reimbursement doon. Meron po tayong 24/7 support with customer care sa call center at may liaison officer. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng benefit limit, no? Ang maximum benefit limit, yun po yung total ng consultation, diagnostic procedures, and hospitalization per illness. Halimbawa po, no? Kung ang member may hika, tapos na aksidente at nagkaroon siya ng dengue on the same year, it's possible to get up to 75,000 for asthma, up to 75,000 for the accident, up to 75,000 for dengue, up to 225,000 total benefits. Sa example na to, no? So actually po, kunyari 10 yung sakit, 10 times 75,000, yun po yung maximum na maaring makuha. Huwag naman po sana magkaroon tayo ng ganong case. Pero it's very comforting na kung mangyari yun, meron po tayong malaking benefit na maaasahan kapalit ng ating 7,000 na annual premium. Yan po, hindi po lahat ng providers equal, no? Kasi po baka isipin nyo na pare-pareho lang yon. Ang Kaiser ay HMO, no? At siya ay member ng Philippine Association of HMO Companies. Established at 2004, so more than 20 years na po ang Kaiser. Accredited niya ang major hospitals at meron po siyang verifiable na large customer gaya ng Supreme Court at ang entire judiciary, no? Doon po sa judiciary, about 35,000 customers. Isang customer lang po yung judiciary. Actually po, client din po namin yung legislative branch. At dito po sa Executive Order 64, marami po kaming inaasahan na dagdag na members na manggaling sa executive branch of government. Ang accreditation policy ng Kaiser i-accredit yung the best hospitals everywhere in the Philippines. Kung sa lugar wala pong mga tertiary hospital, i-accredit yung best primary o secondary hospital para ma-accommodate po natin yung mga members maski nasan sila sa Pilipinas, no? Ang hospital network natin isa sa pinakamalaki with 2,000 plus member accredited hospitals and clinics. Meron po tayong accredited doctors na 12,000 and growing. So, pag ikumpara po, may mga ibang mga HMO companies na about the same age din pero hindi po accredited yung major hospitals. Hindi po natin alam kung merong maraming customer. Hindi natin alam kung ano accreditation policy. Kaya nga po sa kanilang materials mismo nakikita na meron lang po silang 900 o 500 accredited hospitals at konti lang po, maaring konti lang kanilang mga doctors. Meron din pong provider na insurance company. Ngayon po, malaking depresya pag HMO sa insurance company. Kasi usually po yung HMO, meron po talagang direct na liaison sa hospitals. No? Pag insurance po, usually pera-pera lang po yon. Ang benefit nila ay pera. Kaya normally, gagamitin mo muna yung sarili mong pera tapos magpapa-reimburse ka sa insurance company. So, avoid lang po natin yung mga red flags. Kung pwede naman pong makuha yung best, yung mga green na items, kunin na po natin yung mga HMO na puro green yung items. Yan, not all plans are created equal din, no? Ang ating Kaiser na National Health Shield ay ang annual premium ay 7,000 inclusive of taxes, no? Ang benefit limit ay 75,000 na MBL. Ang room time natin semi-private at tingnan po natin ang features. May access sa major hospitals, may benefits for high-risk cases. Kaya nga po meron po tayong pre- and post-natal care. Meron tayong eligibility hanggang age 65 o yung ating maximum retirement age sa government. Meron po tayong coverage for pre-existing illnesses. Meron tayong no deposit on admission policy sa hospitals. Meron po tayong inpatient benefits, outpatient benefits, Meron po tayong active vaccination, meron po tayong ENT, no? ENT, yun yung eyes, ears, nose, and throat na problems, no? Usually outpatient lang yon. Meron po tayong emergency care, meron tayong annual physical exam. At yung annual physical exam po, usually basic 5 lang po yon. May dinagdag po na ECG pag 40 years old and above at pap smear for females 40 years old and above. Meron din po tayong dental benefits, saka financial care assistance at napakalaking hospital network 2,000 or more. Ngayon, kung ikukumpara po natin, same company Kaiser, ito po yung group plan tong NHS. Pero halimbawa po, pag individual plan, example lang po, no? Pag individual plan, usually mas mahal, mas mababa yung benefit. So, ang individual plan po ng Kaiser, meron po tayong individual plan na kasama yung major hospitals, 11,000 plus yung cost nung yung annual premium pag individual at yung benefit limit ay 55,000, no? So, mapansin niyo yung ating group plan, 7,000 lower cost pero higher benefit. Hindi lang po yun, no? Ang room type nitong 75,000 ay semi-private. Ang room type nung 11,000 na yun ay ward. At yung pong plan na yun, individual ay hindi po covered yung wala pong pre- and postnatal care hanggang age 60 lang. Ang coverage sa pre-existing ay after 1 year at wala pong active vaccination. So kita nyo po, even with the same provider, ang group plan ay mas maganda kaysa sa individual plan. Kaya pag titignan po natin sa ibang provider, maaari po natin makita na hindi comparable, no? Halimbawa po, meron po kaming nakisilip na provider X, may pinoprovide siyang group plan, no? Ang cost po, 7,000, parang pareho lang. Pero po sa Kaiser, ang tax ay inclusive. Ibig sabihin po, pagka minatch natin sa medical allowance ay libre, pre-HMO. Doon po sa kabila, 7,000 nga, pero may kasama pang VAT, no? So, ibig sabihin, pagkabayad ng 7,000 medical allowance, sisingilin pa yung member ng around 12% VAT. So, ibig sabihin, magbabayad pa rin, hindi siya libre. At mas mababa yung kanyang MBL. Mayroon po siya sinasabing ABL na mas mataas, annual benefit limit. Yun po ay ibig sabihin yung total na maaring ma-claim, no? So, mataas yung maaring i-claim na for siguro 3 or 4 diseases, pero po, mas mababa yung maximum benefit limit per illness. At kung tinotal-total po, mas mababa yung kanyang ABL kasi may limit po. Meron siyang maximum annual benefit limit versus yung sa Kaiser, depende po. Kung maraming sakit, mas malaki yung effective limit. Sa ibang companies po, maaring semi-private, pero yung ang pre-existing nila maaring hindi magsisimula agad after 6 months pa. At yung outpatient benefit, madalas may limit, no? Hanggang 16,000 limit. Sa Kaiser po, combine yung limit ng inpatient saka outpatient. At marami pong mga provider, hindi po no deposit on admission, no? So hihinga ng deposit at kayo magbabayad muna sa emergency care, kaya magpapa-reimburse po sa provider pagkatapos bayaran yung ospital. So ibig sabihin po yung kwento natin kanina na naghahanap ng 10 ospital at naghahanap ng magpapapasok, ganun din po mangyayari. Pag wala kang pang deposit, hindi ka papasok sa ospital dahil kailangan magbayad ka at pagkatapos magbayad, ikaw magpapa-reimburse doon sa provider. Sa Kaiser po, no deposit admission. So ibig sabihin hindi po problema yung admission sa hospital. So pag titignan po, marami mga plans, may mga red flags, no? So again, pag kinumpara po, tingnan natin na maaring yung iba mukhang mas attractive yung presentation, mas sexy yung kanilang mga brochure, pero po meron silang mga red flags na maaring makabawa sa value ng plan na inyong kukunin sa kanila. So, sino naman ang makumuha nitong National Healthcare Shield, no? Medyo bago lang po itong plan na to, National Healthcare Shield. Inintroduce lang ito last May, no? And actually, last May siya inintroduce. Tapos within weeks, no? Kumuha agad ang Cagayan State University. Ito pong Cagayan State University, matagal na naghahanap, no? December pa naghahanap, wala silang makita. And actually, yung Kaiser nag-present sa Cagayan State University yung early version ng Kaiser na plan, yung standard na version, hindi po approved sa Cagayan State University. Pero nung nilabas yung National Healthcare Shield, kasama yung mga bagong features, kinuha agad within 2 weeks ng Cagayan State University. At ipinagmalaki sa kanilang website, no? Cagayan State University, Andrews Campus na Facebook page. I-scan lang po itong QR code na to para makita yung post ng Cagayan State University, Andrews Campus. Hindi lang po yun, no? So, may inilaunch tong National Healthcare Shield, kumuha agad ng Batangas LGU, no? At sabi nga po ni Mayor Beverly, nais kong maramdaman ng bawat qualified city government employee ang aking pagkalinga at pagpapahalaga. Kaya nakapag-partner po tayo sa Kaiser International Group upang mabigyan kayo ng libreng healthcare coverage sa 75,000 per illness. Ito po ay libre para sa inyo, sagot ng city government ang premium. Again po, maaari nyo iscan ito para makita yung Batangas City Facebook page kung saan sinasabi nila itong testimonial na ito at itong picture na to ni Mayor Beverly noong flag raising ceremony noong June 9, 2025. Sa Davao po, meron na rin nag-avail ng National Healthcare Shield, no? Ang Davao de Oro State College. Ito po nagdaan sa Davao de Oro State College Employees Association. Silang pumirma at nirepresent yung Davao de Oro State College. So ito po yung mga nakakulay green, yun po yung mga taga-IMG, nasa gitna po ata si Dr. Yolos, tapos iba po ay galing sa Davao de Oro State College. So yun na po yung ating short version ng ating presentation about National Healthcare Shield, no? May part 2 presentation po tayo. Hihimayin natin yung benefits ng National Healthcare Shield sa yung details ng bawat isa do sa 5-point health card program. So kung meron po kayong tanong, maaari pong makontak ako o yung ating IMG representative na nag-present po sa inyo ng video na to. Maraming salamat at sana po ay aralin natin ang National Healthcare Shield na bagay talaga para sa ating government employees na nangangailangan talaga ng tulong lalo na pag na-hospital tayo at nagkaroon tayo ng malaking gastusin sa ating hospitalization o inpatient benefit. Maraming salamat po. This is Roberto Prudente, Associate Financial Planner at Life License na Underwriter ng IMG representing Kaiser International Health Group. Thank you very much.